Kaspersky Security for Office 365 allows you to protect your Microsoft Office 365 data from threats that can harm users or your company through cloud applications. Kaspersky Security for Office 365 scans email messages in Exchange Online for malicious files and phishing attacks, and your corporate OneDrive and SharePoint Online storages for dangerous files. A Kaspersky Security for Office 365 workspace is created independently of a Kaspersky Endpoint Security Cloud workspace. To create it, click the gray Kaspersky Security for Office 365 icon on the Kaspersky Business Hub homepage. Accept the terms of use and select a data center to create your workspace. That's it. To connect your Office 365 organization, click Grant Access and enter the username and password of a user who has global administrator privileges. Grant Kaspersky Security for Office 365 the required permissions. Without them, Kaspersky Security for Office 365 will not be able to scan files and email messages. When everything is ready, Kaspersky Security for Office 365 components will appear among the Office 365 applications. When Kaspersky Security for Office 365 detects email messages that should be deleted or modified according to the security policy, these messages get quarantined instead of being deleted. To protect Exchange Online, create an Exchange Online security policy or add mailboxes to an existing policy. To create a policy, click Exchange Online Protection and then create a security policy. After entering the policy name, you will be redirected to the policy setup page. You can activate and configure the anti-malware, anti-spam, anti-phishing, mass mail prevention, attachment filtering and denialist components here. Specify the mailboxes that will use this policy and the mailboxes to exclude. If you create several security policies, you can change their priority to resolve rule conflicts. To reorder priorities, use the arrows to the right of the policy names. On other tabs, you can configure OneDrive and SharePoint Online protection. For OneDrive, you can enable or disable protection. Choose the action to take when a malicious file is detected, configure security alerts and select the users to protect. SharePoint Online settings are similar to those of OneDrive, with the only difference that you can select sites instead of users to protect, and exclude sites from protection. After configuration is completed, the protection will take effect. If threats are detected, this information will be displayed on the dashboard. You can also create a security report about the detected threats on the reports page. The quarantined malicious files are listed on the quarantine page.